It's a great moment, it's a great opportunity to South America and Caribbean to development our tourists. And the open office in Rio de Janeiro in December now, new opportunity to talk about tourism, to make a proposal about tourism, to make the education, the search for excellence in education. And I think that Argentina, Paraguay, Venezuela, Chile, Brazil, El Salvador, Peru, Cuba, República Dominicana, everything in South America and Caribbean will have a new moment with this office in Rio de Janeiro. We talk about the new programs about village, about beach. We have beautiful beaches in Brazil, in South America, in Caribbean, and we know that European and Asian need to know the forest, river, and our beaches. It's very important to promotion, and the office will be help us to go there. We work hard to approve this agreed and to sign the agreed here in this General Assembly, and we continue to work hard to open this office in 15 December 2023.